Hello and welcome to Bell CB. Today's radio is a Galaxy. It is DX94 HP. This radio is from Mark in Missouri, and it's a tune-up report for him. Mark, over here on the SWAT meter, we're looking at 10 watts across the top. We've got the radio turned all the way down. Its lowest power you see is about 3 watts. Now I'm going to change the scale 2 more up to where it's 100 this way. So it's 10, 20, 30, and 40. I'll turn the power knob up. You see we have about 30 watts there. My peak reading meter, 250 watts like today. And here's 100, there's 150. Be right in between there.
Audio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, now we'll go to side BN.
Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check. Audio.
Okay, let's go back to we'll put it on there. Haven't heard anybody out here tonight.